Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to be looking at paper 1 from 2020 for Pure for Edexcel. So let's have a look at the first questions. So question 1, it's a binomial question and it says the following. It says find the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 1 add 8x to the power of a half. Okay, right, let's have a look at that. So the first thing I would say here is we're given in the formula booklet for Edexcel 2 versions of the binomial formula. We have a year 12 version here, which is just for integers, positive integers, and we have a version which is suitable for year 13, which is relevant to all real numbers. So we're going to be using this second formula because we have a fractional power. So the formula is 1 add n times x plus n times n minus 1 over essentially 2 factorial. So our n is a half. So we're going to have 1 add n times x, and our x is 8x. Then the next term is going to be n times n minus 1, so a half times a half minus 1, which is minus a half, over 2 factorial, times by the x, which in this case is 8x squared. And then the next term, you can't see it here, but the pattern infers that it's going to be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2. So a half times minus a half times minus 3 over 2 over 3 factorial times by 8x cubed this time. So there's our first 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So now we just need to evaluate those. So 8 times by 4, 8 times by a half rather is 4. So that one is going to go to 4x. The first term is just 1. The next term we've got a half times minus a half is minus a quarter, divided by 2 is minus an eighth. 8 squared is 64 and x squared is x squared. Here we have a half times minus 3 over 2, all over 6 factorial, which turns out to be 3 over 48. 8 cubed is 512 and x cubed is x. So there we go, that's the next line. We now just simplify those. So we have 1 add 4x minus 8x squared plus 32x cubed when we simplify it. And we put plus ... just to show that we understand that this sequence carries on indefinitely, carries on for like ever and ever. So that is question 1 part 3, question 1 done for 3 marks, part A. Okay, for part B, it says explain how you could use x is equal to 1 over 32 in the expansion to find an approximation for √5. There is no need to carry out the calculation, but it is worth 2 marks, so we have got to show some kind of justification. So what we would do, in essence, in a nutshell, is we would substitute in the 1 over 32 into the equation. Okay, so in the left-hand side, we'd have 1 add 8 times 1 over 32 to the power of a half. Now, when you work out 1 add 8 times 1 over 32, it turns out to be 5 over 4, so to the power of a half. So this would go to √5 over 2. Now then, over on the right-hand side, we would sub in 1 over 32, as you can see that I've done there. And then we would get an answer for that, and we would just times it by 2. So we would say then that √5 is equal to 2 times the answer that we get when we sub in 1 over 32 into the other side. So we don't actually have to work it out because it says there's no need to do the calculation. However, they do expect you to sub in that 1 over 32 and demonstrate how that would lead to √5. Perfect. Okay, hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you're finding these videos useful, if you could like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.